In this video, I'll show you how to save a PowerPoint as a PDF in mobile. So open the presentation that you want to save as a PDF, and in the top right, press on the three dots, and then come down and press Save As. So in order to save it as a PDF, you need to save it as a PPT to your device. So press this device, and then select Download, and then press Save. So next up, we're going to close the PowerPoint and then open it up again. So we've closed it and we open it up, and now if we press on the three dots in the top right, there is an option to share it as a PDF. So if you press on that, we now have the option to email it or send it as a PDF. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.